Hi guys, this is Ross Cummins here from Braeside Building, based in Brookvale on the northern beaches of Sydney. I am just leaving a little video message here to any people who are thinking about going on a ski and learn trip with the Site Shed, Tradie Web guys. I was very lucky to go on the trip this year in February 2018 to Hakuba, the ski and learn. Definitely learnt a lot, mostly on business automation this year, which was fantastic because it's an area where I feel my business can definitely develop in. You know, it was a great trip. We had a great bunch of guys who joined us on the trip. The networking for me was really good because there was a lot of Sydney-based guys there. And you know, we're now looking at strong work opportunities early 2019 with some of these guys, so it was very good for me. You know, the location that we were at was in Hakuba, Japan. Unbelievable location. The ski fields were spectacular to boot, and you know, our hotel was right at the foot of the mountain. Amazing scenery, amazing location. Great accommodation. We had everything we needed, and when we had the team meetings, everything was there, laid out perfectly for us. And when you're in a good environment, you think better. And I felt like everyone on the trip really had you know, a good mental headspace. So we were all bouncing really good ideas off each other, and I certainly took a lot from it. Japan is an awesome place. The culture is fantastic. As if you haven't been, I highly recommend you go, even for a personal trip. I will definitely be going back in the next few months. This is a business trip. I was very lucky that I could put this through my business, and you know, I saw huge value in it. I feel like I've came back and my business is starting to crank in the right areas, which is fantastic for me. So if you are thinking about going on the next ski and learn trip, then I highly recommend that you do. It's certainly huge value for you and your business, and it gives you that space away from the day-to-day work life. So all the best guys, thanks for listening, see ya.